Yo, why do we got F40s in this race? How am I supposed to win this? We got the M3 GTR. I did not know we could use it right now as a beginner. That is cool. A realistic blend of proper driving and being able to enjoy it on a mobile device. I like it. Alright, boys. First time playing Gran Velocita or Velocita or Velocito. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I don't know how the developers pronounce it or how it should be, but yeah, one of my subscribers brought it to my attention. I have seen videos on Instagram, but I have not made a choice to try it out until now. I've seen it over the since the launch day. I think was 2 days ago or a day ago, and I said, okay, I might as well try it out and put it out on the channel. Just a bonus video for you guys to check out. A little short break from CPM1 and CPM stuff overall, occasionally playing other games. So we've got this new launch, a new realistic mobile racing sim. It's trying to be as realistic as it possibly can, and I've been hearing some both good and bad stuff. Most of the bad stuff is just, like optimization on new devices, like compatibility, but it is still in the beta stages. So, a lot of work is going to be done to it for the future updates that's going to be coming out. So this is the main menu that we got, and this is what it looks like. First up, we got our settings here. I got it on quality. I'm using button controls, but I do prefer tilt, but we're just going to be trying it out still, just to see how it feels and all of that. You can adjust your realism. I got mine on beginner by default, but you can change it to skilled, to pro, use manual, stability control off, and the AI is going to be hard. And you can also adjust this to your own custom needs, So I'm gonna just run the beginner stage, since I am a beginner, I'm not gonna jump in like I'm a professional and, flop myself. So we're gonna try it out on the beginner stage in the garage as well. This is the only car I got right now, which is I think it's the BRZ, or is it the 86, the 86? The lights look like the 86, yeah, because the BRZ has a little curve to the back, so this is most likely the 86. So in the garage, you can shop new cars as well. You got different classes, street cars that you can buy for game cash. And we got the GT4 class, E92 there, the Porsche, and a Camaro. GT3 class. We got the heavy hitters here. Oh, this is a nice selection, I'm not gonna lie. This is a nice selection, W selection. We got the LMP class. Hey, looking good, looking good. F4 class, I didn't know they had F4. Oh, so we got a little F4 in there. That's cool. And we got the F1 class as well. And I think there's other special cars. So this is just the shop cars that you can buy for in-game cash. And if you want to support the developer, I think, where is the... Up here, I think, where you gotta click. Yeah, so you can either buy these with the secondary currency, or if you want to buy with real cash, I guess, to support the developer. So that will be some early funding for him. And this is the prices as well, which is not too bad. For $10, I mean, it's CPM too. The garage is for like $20 US, right? Just the garage by itself. So these prices are not too crazy for the first time. $10 gets you 35K of these. And these are cheap. You can buy any one of these you like. And you got the special edition cars up here. Where was you got the Legends. Oh my god, Legends. I like how they use the name. So we got the Legends here. Oh, the shop refreshes. That's why I don't see the M3 GTR anymore. Because the M3 GTR with the Need for Speed Most Wanted library was in here the other day. So now I'm seeing that the shop will refresh. So I think it refreshes daily. And we even got Lambo in here, but I don't have enough credits. I haven't purchased any credits yet, so I'm wondering if I should soon. I'm thinking about it. I'm just trying out the game, as a first-time user. I haven't yet been thinking about, spending cash on it yet to go full-on content with it. But, I'm thinking about it and just giving you guys my first impression here. So these are the special cars that we got. I think there's a lot more. It's just that the shop will refresh, similar to like Fortnite, those type of games that refreshes the shop every now and then. and in CPM2 when they change the sales for different cars. So that's what they got going on. For customization, okay, so we need a play to get access to all of that. So we're gonna hit start, single player, campaign, and let's see how it is. I wonder if I have my sound turned up enough that we can hear the sounds and all of that. Let's see. Hopefully it's enough. Yeah, so it's the GD86 class. Alright, let's go. Change the view. So it gives us a rolling start here. Alright, there we go. Yo, why do we got F40s in this race? How am I supposed to win this? Yeah, the F40s in the race, but hey, we're gonna try to do something. Hey, that is crazy. We got F40. I just smashed my car. So I'm guessing we do have collision. I want to test that. Can you ram people? You get penalty for it. I don't know if you can do that. I feel like I'll be doing better with the tilt controls and the arrow, but I'm just trying out the arrow. Not doing good already. Brake. And so far, even the interiors look good as well. Can change your camera position right there. Okay, so we can ram. It's only when you like go off track and all of that you have the phasing, like where you can phase through. It does look heavily inspired by looks inspired by Gran Turismo, like the UI or the custom instead of course the UIs that they use. It does remind me of that. So what place am I? I'm in 4th place. I'm not gonna get any money. Am I? I'm probably not gonna get any money for 4th place, bro. Can I overtake him around here? Classic barrier ride. Let me see if I can catch up to him. I think the finish line's up here. I'm not gonna catch him, am I? But those F40s in the first race though, as beginner? That is crazy. And we got the pit stop over there, so you can pit as well. I wanna look into that. So we got 4th place. Terrible driving by me, but F40s in the first race is absolutely crazy. I don't know. The replay features, this is it. And it looks cool. It reminds me of Gran Turismo. Looks pretty cool. Can I change the camera angles as well? Yes, I can. So you can watch your replay there. Looks pretty cool. I can feel my phone vibrating as well, so it has a lot of feedback going on there. So did I not beat? Come on, I gotta get 3rd place. Okay, I'm gonna clear this this level and then we come back for the next race. So you don't like crash and brush against the walls and stuff. But see, we are in 3rd place. We are, so you just gotta fully turn it in, don't lift, and then you fully make that turn right there. So that is okay. You just gotta get used to it and set the controls so you like it, and you're gonna be good. So it's not too difficult right there. Maybe when I switch from beginner, it will definitely pose more of a challenge. But here we go, and we just cleared the first stage and got 3rd place. Still got beaten by the F40s. I don't know why F40s are in our race as the first race. That is crazy to me. They gave us our money, and if you're idle in the menu, it starts like playing a little cinematic of the car. So that's cool. You can make that for the first few edits. So that is cool. I am on the mid-range device, by the way. So this is not crazy gaming device. I'm playing on the mid-range phone, which is the old Samsung. And we just got a new car, the MX-5 Cup car. That is cool. And your car, as you can see from the other car I got, where is it? The 8.6, we do take damage, and you can choose to repair it if you want. So you can see my bumper is all creased up there. Not heavy damage, but the damage still shows, and you can pay to repair that. So we got a new MX-5. We can take it to the next race. You have online multiplayer unlocked now. I don't think I'm gonna go. There's probably some heavy juiced up players over there. But yeah, we can check out the other modes now. So you have quick race where you can set the your specific criteria for your race, tire wear, fuel consumption, set your weather, different cars, lap, amount of drivers, and you got maps. We got the Norge. I don't know how to pronounce this, guys. I need to do more research on my racing knowledge. We got the Nürburgring, Downering, Laguna, Le Mans, Tokyo. I think this is the place that we just did the first race. Yeah, Spa, Monzo, Mount P. What does P stand for? I don't know which mountain that is. The Suzuki circuit, and we back here. So those are the circuits that we got in quick race. You can choose them in the practice as well, and you can choose your weather. I think I'm gonna go for the clear weather, quick race, and you can start your session. So it's nice to see that you can do. I think your car does take damage in quick race where you have to repair it as well. So we start in the pits, and I think there is a pit speed limit as well. So the inside of a MX-5 Cup car looks like how we can see it on the dash. And I think I'm better off with tilt, to be honest. Let me change that. Controls to gyro. Yeah, gyro's tilt. Too bad we can't do much detail changes like dead zone and all of that. But we're gonna see how it is. Yeah. My phone is let me readjust the graphics here. The quality. It's better. Yeah, that looks much better. That's how it's moving. That's how the car sounds as well. Ooh, that feels good. I can do challenges. Let me try that. Maybe that's what I need to do to level up. Oh, so we got the M3 GTR here. We got the M3 GTR. I did not know we could use it right now as a beginner. That is cool. For the challenges. Hear what it sounds like. Ooh, on the other side. Hell yeah, this is what we need is CPM1, bro. We need this kit and everything. We need a custom interior as well. This is so cool. I could have went full flat out there. I don't know why I braked. But what did I get? Did I get gold? Oh yeah, I got gold even though I lifted. Well, that is cool. Next challenge, we're using the Ferrari, the 458. Ooh, I love the sense of speed as well it gives. It feels like grid, but also it takes inspiration from GT7, Gran Turismo, in terms of the UI and stuff like that. But the sense of speed is like Need for Speed or yeah, I'm loving the sense of speed, and the backfires as well look cool. They look decent. I like it. Want to see how the inside of the BMW looks. Let me try to switch while I'm focusing. So a lot of the interior of the cars are definitely, like GT versions, like not the. Oops, no. That was me for gazing out other thing. But yeah, a lot of the cars are like GT spec with the interiors and stuff. They don't look very OEM. Can I restart? Oh yeah, I can restart it. Let's try to clear that challenge. Oh, rain is hitting. Damn, is this a light flaring? Why can't we have rain in CPM? Oh wait. He's splashing all over. I wish there was a little bit of drops on the screen, like not too much, but I entered way too fast. Ooh, our skin spinning out. That is so cool though. Like, yeah, you don't need a proper device to play this comfortably. Like me, this is not really a good gaming device to play it on. But yeah, you don't need a proper device to play this comfortably on. But otherwise, from that, it's a cool game. First beta, it's doing well, and it feels really good. It feels, a realistic blend of proper driving and being able to enjoy it on a mobile device. I like it. But yeah, let me know you guys' thoughts on it so far. Aside from losing most of your races in campaign if you don't have money. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it and your feedback. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.